Ha, ay! Lagi may kahoy ba? Oh, naday ko klase. Ilis ako be. Dalion ako. Ilis ako, dalion ako. Ilis ako. Let's go.
A few inches later.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. So, atong klase ron is English. Ikaw, Miloy, use beautiful in a sentence.
Hey, ma'am. My teacher is beautiful and sunset.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Very good, Miloy. So, Bisay daw, B.
Si Raulo.
Con maestra guapa. Asa Kuya P.